In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfreeze columns in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet feels stuck and you can't scroll past the first few columns, it likely means those columns are frozen. Frozen columns are helpful for keeping headers or key labels visible while you move across your data. But when you're done, you'll want to unfreeze them so you can navigate freely again. You'll know columns are frozen when you see a thick gray vertical divider near the left side of your sheet. Let's start with the quickest and most reliable method using the menu. Go to the top menu and click View. From the drop-down, select Freeze, and then click No Columns. The moment you choose that, the thick gray divider disappears, and your entire sheet returns to normal scrolling. Nothing in your data changes. This only affects how the sheet is displayed. If you open the Freeze menu and see options like one column or two columns highlighted, that simply indicates how many columns were frozen. Choosing No Columns clears that setting. If No Columns is already selected or the gray line isn't visible, then your columns aren't frozen and you're good to go. There's also a quick manual way to do this with your mouse. Look for that thick gray vertical line near the left edge of the grid, usually around column A or just to the right of the last frozen column. Move your cursor over the line until it changes, then click and drag the divider all the way back to the far left, past the edge of the column headers. As soon as you release it at the edge, the line disappears and your columns are unfrozen. No menus required. If you don't spot the line right away, try scrolling slightly to the left or zooming in a bit until it's easier to grab. A couple of quick tips to keep things clear. Unfreezing columns is different from unfreezing rows. Columns have a vertical gray divider. Rows have a horizontal one near the top. Today we're focusing on columns, so look for that vertical line. Also, unfreezing won't delete formats, formulas, or filters. It only changes the scrolling behavior. Once you've unfrozen, glide across your sheet to confirm you can scroll past those columns smoothly. That's all there is to it. Whether you prefer the View menu with Freeze and No Columns, or the simple drag method, you now have two easy ways to get your sheet moving again.